Hi, this is Neela, guest designer for Citrus Twiscuits. I'm making a December Memories album with the Sparkle and Joy kit. In this video, I'm going to show you the process of making spreads of my kids' baking over the years. I've printed a bunch of photos basically spanning multiple years from 2013 to about 2019, but a few years are missing. Basically, the years I didn't do December daily, I didn't take too many pictures. It's really cool to see them enjoying the same thing over the years. For these pages, I'm going to use an 8x4 tag from the shop, and I'm going to use a 2x2 page protector and a 3x4 page protector. So a bunch of different sizes, and the thing I like most about this album is all these different sizes that you can mix and match. I'm also going to use the digitals for these pages, the Sparkle and Joy digital journal cards and the Sparkle and Joy digital tags. I resized one of the tags. This was actually a 3x4 tag which I resized so that it fits on this tag, and basically what I wanted to do was basically that it fit my journaling, so I made it longer. And then I also resized a bunch of journal cards and tags to fit the 2x2 page protectors. So at the end of the video, I'll show you how I resized them using Photoshop elements. I also want to use some gold on these pages, so I plan on using this gold cardstock, and I also plan on using these stars again from the shop, and I also want to use these gold stickers. I think I'll use the stars and the hearts a lot. So let's see how it all comes together. I'll fast forward the video and talk you through the process of how these pages come together. So now I'm putting my pages together. The first page that I wanted to make is the one with the tag, and I wanted to put the fun gold stickers in that space, but realized that they were way too big, but the heart fit in that space way better. I backed the light pink journal card with a bright pattern paper so that it pops from the white tag background, and I'm keeping this tag pretty simple, so I added a strip of gold at the bottom, and that was pretty much it for this side of my tag. I stuck down the journal card and I'm done. So on the other side, I want to add the photo from 2013 of my kids basically trying to bake cookies, and same thing this side too. I kept it simple, added a simple gold strip in the bottom and then a label with the date on it and with a little gold sticker, and that's it for this page too. So now I'm moving on to the 2x2 page protector. Basically, I'm going to put the photos from 2016 and 2017 in these pages. Keeping these pages pretty simple again, adding a little bit of the gold stickers to add a little pop and shine to these pages, and also a little bit of dimension. And now moving on to the 2017, and I basically decided to add the fun gold stickers on this page instead. They fit much better on this page than on the tag. And the Christmas tree sticker is very cute, but I decided to add it on a label with the date instead. So the 2x2 page protectors are done. All my work was pretty much done by basically printing out those tags in that size and journal cards. So now I'm moving on to the larger photos. These I printed out as 3x3 photos, and they're backed on a 4x3 cardstock. And I basically printed the photo slightly smaller so that I could add embellishments around the photo. And these photos are from 2018 and 2019, and so basically their cousin is part of the picture now. So she's like almost 2 years old in one and 3 years old in another, and they absolutely love hanging out with her and play with her all the time. So I'm trying to bring the same elements that were on the tag on these pages too. Basically the little strip of pattern paper and the gold so that the pages kind of look as if they belong together in a group. There is too much going on in these pages, but I'm trying my best to keep it all a little bit cohesive. So one thing I noticed is that my older son wore the same shirt over 2 years for 2018 and 2019, and my younger son wore the same shirt for 2 years for 2016 and 2017. So I thought that was kind of funny to see that they wanted to repeat the shirt, and boy, when they like something they just keep wearing them again and again. So now I'm just slipping all the photos into the page protectors so that I can show you how all these pages are when they are put together in the album. So here are my final pages. They're pretty simple, and thanks to the kit everything kind of falls in place. So here are the photos from, or a single photo from 2013. I didn't do December daily for 2014 and 2015, so I have no photos, but this is from 2016. Photos from 2017, photos from 2018 and 2019. So it's really fun to see all of these photos of the kids over the years. I hope you enjoyed this process video. And now I'll show you how I use Photoshop elements to do this journaling and how I resized my journal card. I have Photoshop Elements version 14 open, and there are way newer versions of Photoshop Elements, but this works just fine for me. I haven't used any of the newer features, so I don't know. So I have also opened the digital tag that comes in the Sparkle and Joy digital kit. So this is the tag that I want to modify. So the first thing I'm going to do is open a blank file, and then I want to size this 3x7. Usually when this comes up, it'll come up as pixels, so that can be confusing. So but you want to change it to inches because you know that you want your tag to be 3x7. And then I usually set the resolution to 300 to get a good quality print. So I say okay. So basically I want to modify this, copy this over, and then modify this. So copy, so this brings this file over to the new file, and I'm going to pick the color picker tool and pick the pink color. And now I'm going to get the bucket tool and then basically fill the rest of it. So that's all you need to do to change the size. And the next thing I want to do is add the text. So I'm going to draw a text box and select the font that you want and select the size of the text that you want, and I wanted to type the text in white. So I felt that white would not show up as much on pink, so I bolded my letters. So you can start typing your journaling on this card. You can also print and write your journaling separately. So I followed this same procedure and added another text box for the date, and I added all the dates for which the photos belonged over here. So after you're done with your journaling, make sure you click the checkbox, and then you can go and print your card. So it's showing both the cards, so I'm going to remove this one. So, and you can print your card with your journaling or write your journaling separately. So it's as simple as that. And I really think having the digital kit makes the possibilities endless. You can modify your files in so many ways. So I hope you learned from this process, and hope you enjoyed checking out this video. Thank you for joining me. Bye.